Hey guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this 15-inch Unicook pizza stone for the grill or oven. Here's what it looks like, and this is absolutely durable and very heavy. 15-inch, I'll be the judge of that. Sure enough, actually 15 inches, and it also comes with this scraper for cleaning it, because as you see, ours is used and a little bit dirty. You can see we've got some pizza stains there from using it, but the reason why is you're not supposed to use soap or dry the stone, not supposed to use detergent, brush, or cut on the stone, and you're not supposed to season it either. You're supposed to simply clean it off with a scraper, and then it's good for next time, because any of those chemicals will be heated up and could be absorbed by the pores of this and then gets into your pizza or your food or whatever you're making on this. But let me tell you, heating this up before you put a pizza on absolutely gives you that crispy crust. This thing's been absolutely amazing. And for just that really crispy crust pizza, it really gives you that chef status. And super thoughtful that they include the scraper. But hopefully this kind of shows you what to expect with this Unicook Pizza Stone Grill Oven. That's all for now.